So I made this cardboard boat, and I only used cardboard, packing paper, and glue. And I started by getting all my supplies ready. After which, I went ahead and used this ship model. Then I started the planning of the base. After that, I put together the pieces. Then started on the other part of the base. And again, put them together. Then started carving the edges. So what you're seeing right now isn't a very good example. You should never cut towards yourself. I learned this lesson right here. If you're cutting, always do it away from yourself. So after that traumatic experience, I started on the designs. In addition to more designs. I then put packing paper over the corrugations. After which I added the last designs. I then made the base for the ship and attached it. Here is the boat.